Hey everyone, my name is Wege, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to send Solana and SPL token like USDC, USDT or another meme coin on Solana to multiple wallets in just one click. Let's check it out. And this is my tools, by the way. The name is WegesolSender.com. You can use it, just open in your browser and let's go. First, you're gonna land it on this simple interface. You can create or import wallet, and also you can delete the wallet. Okay, let's try importing a wallet. I pasted my private key on this text box. Okay, it's successfully imported. Then you can click on SolScan to check the wallet balance and everything to make sure if your balance and your tokens is enough. Then click to continue to multi-send. And then there is two boxes. The first box you need to fill with the contract address of the token you're gonna send. And the second box you need to fill recipient and its amount with the format in the website. You can see the example on the website, by the way. It's easy, just address and comma and then the number without the space. After you fill the contract address and wallet and amount, you're gonna redirect it to this order summary to see the total recipient and everything. Then you click continue and then it's sending. Wait for a while. The transaction will execute it by 3 wallet per batch, so you need to wait a little bit. Okay, the transaction is succeed. If you want to see the SolScan link, you can click on the right side of the box. There is a button to you open the transaction like this. Okay, that's it. Your token are sent and you can verify everything on Solana Explorer. This is WegesolSender, my best tool to sending Solana and token distribution. You can use it for airdrops, payment to multiple wallets, or splitting your wallets. Let's try it out and let us know how it goes. Thanks for watching and join the Telegram community for the more information.